Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete an Instagram account. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram application. Next, on the bottom right, tap on your profile icon. Next, on the top right corner, tap on these three horizontal lines. Next, tap on Account Center. Now, in here, scroll down a bit and find Manage Accounts. Tap on it. Now here, select the Instagram account that you want to delete by just tap on Manage. And here we have deactivation or deletion. Just tap on it. Now in here we have two options to deactivate or delete account. Deactivating your account is temporary and it means your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it through Account Center or by logging into your Instagram account. Deleting an account is permanent. When you delete your Instagram account, your profile, photos, the videos, comments, likes, and followers will be permanently removed. So tap on delete account and tap continue. Next, basically follow simple prompts and you are good to go. And that's it, how to delete an Instagram account. If this video helps you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment on the video.